Nawa Pirani over here, the academic head of the Abibians. So it's a quite good news for you all that soon we are introducing robotics AI classes in STEM education in our school and with collaboration with Technobots 53. And their slogan is quite interesting, that you visualize, we customize. That means that stimulating your child's brain cells towards technology. And this will be quite beneficial for our future generation as well. So congratulations, and see some good videos will be in future, and students will learn and will touch skies. Thank you.